Okay, so first thing to do is power everything off so you don't fry anything. And then take out this Cat 5 cable. There's two screws holding this cover plate on right here. Take those out. Okay, and this is going to lift up. Go up and then out. And just be careful you don't touch the boards. That's why you want power off. So up and out. Okay, you might want to take a picture of this with your phone, but these are all idiot-proof connectors, meaning they can only go into certain slots. There should only be different sizes, but I would just take a picture. They're marked. It tells you. The first thing, the speaker up here, you can undo that. And then this guy here, I think your model has that. That can just go off there. Your power, pull that off. And these guys, when you pull them, just sort of walk them back and forth out, so you don't pull too hard on the wires. Just forward them, and then this guy's for the, just walk it back and forth. You shouldn't have any glue on these. I don't think you will, but just double check that. It should not be glued in, but and then the telephone cable can come out. And I believe that's it as far as the wires go. Okay, so now you want to take these two screws off here. Okay. So that's, you could probably, okay, so you got 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So leave the bottom and top for the end, because you're going to have to make sure it doesn't fall out on you. So take the corner ones out, and you'll notice they're longer, so put them in a different spot. You don't mix them with the other ones. They're a little bit longer. Okay, so put your hand on the front of the monitor, because this thing's going to fall that way. It'll fall right out. So maybe do the bottom one first. You can still leave your hand up, but now you got to keep your hand on it. That monitor's going to fall right out. So let's do this top one, and that's the whole thing's just going to slide out. Sort of walk it out. Boom. That's it. And then I'm going to send you this piece. I'm just going to put it in and reverse everything. But these things are all marked here for what they are. But take a picture with your camera. That's it. And then just put everything back together. You're good to go.